Solving for each absolute value equation here. So we have absolute value of 2.2x plus 2 equals to absolute value of 1 minus 2.8x. The main important thing here is to be able to deal with this problem by removing the absolute value symbols, right? So if you take the first one here, so we have 2.2x plus 2 without the absolute value symbols equals to what? 1 minus 2.8x without the absolute value symbols. Or what's happening here is then we have 2.2x plus 2 equals 2, then negative 1 plus 2.8x. So what are we seeing here? The signs here change to the opposite. Okay? So now let's go for it. So we have 2.2x and negative 2.8x to combine together. These are decimal numbers, and I know you guys love decimal numbers, right? So we do not need to change them into whole numbers in this case, correct? Somebody can do that, doesn't matter, but in this case, we're just keeping them. So this is negative, this is positive, so this one is smaller than that one. So we rather take this one to the left side. This is out. What is 2.2 plus 2.8? So that would give us what? So this is a 10 here. So you have x, and then 3, 5, so that's 5.0, which is just the same thing as 5x. So that is equals to 2, plus 2, sorry, equals to 1. Okay? And then what's happening here? Negative 2 is gone. Then this is out. So you have 5x, which is the same thing as 5.0x. This is equal to what? Negative 1. And then since we're solving for x, ladies and gentlemen, divide by 5 and 5, then x equals to negative 1 over 5. And then we are finished for the first one. So second one here, so let's go for it. So now here also, we got to combine these two. This is smaller than that. So we have negative 2.2x, negative 2.2x. So we end up with what? So I'm going to write here so that we can have a little space. So this is equal to, then we have negative 1. And then what is 2.8 minus 2.2? So that will give us what? 0.6. So that's plus 0.6x, right? And then because of x, we go plus 1 and plus 1. Then we end up 2 plus 1 is 3. This is equal to 0.6x. And then we can now divide by 0.6, divide by 0.6 if we want to. Or what we can also do is to get what? Is to change them to whole number in this case so that we can make your life a lot easier, okay, if you want to. But, okay, so making this one into a whole number means you're multiplying by 10 because this one is 1 decimal place. So you're multiplying everybody by 10 actually. So that gives us what? That gives us 30 equals to 6x. And because we're trying to solve for x, 6 underneath, what is 30 divided by 6 is 5. So that means x equals to 5 in this case. Okay? So we have 5 or, so remember, it's or x equals to negative 1 over 5, then you're done. Okay? All right.